right, oil change, 2001 Camry, 2001 Camry CE oil change. So remove your oil filter, got a new filter, put some rags under that to catch any oil that will drip. Oil to catch, a little rag, not to burn your arm. Hercules put that on. Oil, it catches. Whoa. Put your pan down. A little oil on the O-ring. Move your rag. Make sure you clean around that housing, not to get dirt inside of it. And then once it's snug, all you need is a quarter turn on it. A little bit more. That's it. Should have your pan down to catch. You just take your drain plug. If you do have a gasket, change the gasket. I suggest changing the gasket. It may drip a little. Go nice and snug. Good and tight. And that is it for that. All right, and that's that. Oil drained. For now, it's to fill. Choose the oil of your liking. I'm using 5W30 Castrol GTX high mileage. Pick what you want. Fill a little, then check. Fill a little, and then check. Start the vehicle, check for leaks at your oil filter and your drain plug. Make sure you have everything tight. You don't want any leaks. But I believe you could be able to figure out the rest. Use a funnel if you don't want to make a mess. Don't use a funnel if you want to make a mess. But yeah, hopefully this has helped you. Until the next one, try to work as clean as possible without getting oil on yourself. That's a challenge. So I'll see you on the next one. Peace. TJ.